mostly with smoke inhalation and probably minor injuries from trying to get out of the fire, correct. Once the fire is completely out, a search will be done.
All I know is my boyfriend woke me up because the smoke woke him up. And I woke up, I went in the kids' room, I grabbed the kids, everything. We couldn't get out the front door, so we went to the window and jumped. I dropped them down, and then I jumped down, and then he jumped down. I didn't even have on no pants.
Wow. So you jumped out in your underwear or pajamas or something?
No underwear, no pants, like just bare.
Wow.
So. I've seen a couple of people that was on the third floor. When we jumped out, they were saying help, help, and I'm telling them, like, just jump. And they're like, we can't. And I don't know if they jumped out. I don't know if they came out or not.
There was a police incident earlier in the morning, late last night. There's some possible connection. There was a party, as well as related to that party, there was a possible sexual assault. So this could be tied or related to that incident also.
For all the families that have been displaced by the fire that happened this morning on Schoolcraft near Outer Drive have been relocated here. We're providing them with food, snacks, warm place to be. Coffee pot is always on. We also have some clothing that we're preparing to distribute to those in need.